Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. It is very simple quiz and here we have basic operation plus minus multiplication and division. We have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out which answer is correct. Here we have four answers 21, 27, 30 and 11. Let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's recall that what is the PAMDAS and BODMAS method. As you can see on the screen, we have basically some rules which is we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. As you can see on the screen, we have BODMAS and PAMDAS. It means that if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to see the exponent part. After that, you have to see the exponent part. If your expression contains any power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. After that, step number 3 is basically you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication, which is coming first. So you have to solve that part first. If division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can subtract if it is coming first and we can add if it is coming first. So now we have to move forward to solve the given expression. As you can see, according to the rule, first we have to solve the bracket. So here we have one bracket, another, this one is second bracket, and this one is third bracket. So one by one, we will solve each bracket. So first we have to solve this part first. 5 plus 3 equals to 8. And other parts we will write as it is. So here we have 5 plus 3 equals to 8. And now we have to solve second bracket. So here we have second bracket 8 multiplied by 7 minus 4 equals to 3. Then plus 9 divided by 3 we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 7 minus 4 equals to 3. Now we have to solve all brackets in our expression. So now we will see that we have another bracket which is 9 divided by 3. So we have to solve this part first. So we will solve this one 9 divided by 3 which is equals to 3 now. And here we will give the reference divided by 3 equals to 3. Okay, now move forward and solve the other. Now we do not have any brackets. So now we will see the order of expression. So we do not have also any exponent part in our expression. So now we will go left to right and solve the step number 3, which is division and multiplication. So first we have this multiplication. So now we will solve this multiplication. So 8 multiplied by 3 equals to 24 plus 3 we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 8 multiplied by 3 equals to 24. Now we have two terms here and which are adding each other. So we will write 24 plus 3 which is equals to 27. So the answer of the given expression is 27. So the answer B is the correct answer. I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and get the correct result. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.